Hi guys, it's teacher Amanda, and today we're going to talk about the verb to get. So, to get is one of those verbs that has so many uses. So, today we're going to break down just two of those basic uses in this first lesson of my three-part series. So, the first thing we're going to talk about is get plus a noun, meaning that noun is a direct object, and it can be a noun or a pronoun. When paired with a direct object, a noun or a pronoun, get usually means receive, catch, obtain, or fetch. Okay? Receive, catch, obtain, fetch. One of those uses. So here are some examples. I got a message from my boss this morning. So that means that I received a message. I got a message from my boss this morning. And another one is, will you come and get me after my doctor's appointment? And that means to fetch me or to pick me up. Will you come and get me after my doctor's appointment? Another one is I get a cramp when I jog for too long. Means I receive a cramp in my leg when I jog for too long. I get a cramp. And another one is I got a promotion. So got is past tense. I got a promotion at work. Means that I received a promotion. I obtained a promotion. I got a promotion at work. There are some other meanings of get plus a noun that have different meanings than catch or receive. And those are kind of fixed expressions, but they're very common. Like if someone says, I don't get it. I don't get it. And that means I don't understand. Because when someone says, I get it, that means I understand. To get it means to understand. So I don't get it means I don't understand. There's another very similar expression used in the past tense. I got it. I got it means this can either mean I understand or it can signal to other people that you can manage a situation. For example, saying, oh, I got it, and raising your hand after the teacher asks a question in class, that means I can answer this question. I can manage this situation. I got it. Or if someone wants to help you with something, like, I don't know, maybe you're moving a box and you say, I got it. It means I don't need help. I can manage this situation. I got it. Another meaning of got plus a noun, another one is I'll get you for this. And you can think of from the Wizard of Oz, I'll get you, my pretty. And that means I will punish you or I will hurt you for some reason. So I'll get you means I'll hurt you. So, okay, that's one use of get. And another one is get plus an adjective. So when get comes before an adjective, get often means become, to become. So if I said my eyesight gets worse every year, and it does, then that means my eyesight becomes worse every year. Another example is, would you close the window? It's getting cold. Means it's becoming cold. And you can also have get plus an object plus an adjective. And that means to make somebody or something become. So it still means become. Can you get her ready for school? It means She needs to become ready to go to school. Can you get her ready for school? How about I can't get my feet warm? I can't get my feet warm. My feet cannot become warm. They're cold. And another example is, let's try and get the house clean before the party. And that means, really, let's clean the house. It means let's have the house become clean before the party. And just a note that all of these uses of get are very common in conversation. I would say they are more common than their meanings, than become. My eyesight becomes worse every year. It's more common to say my eyesight gets worse every year. It's more common to say I got a promotion at work than I received a promotion at work. Those alternatives sound pretty formal. And get is a lot more, it's informal, but it's still polite. So these are good things to learn. Next week, lesson 2, part 2 of this 3-part series, we're going to focus on get plus an adverb or preposition, and get plus past participle. So tune in next week. Leave a comment below if you have questions. Contact me if you have questions, and I'll see you next week. Bye.